Hi all, welcome to video 20 of genai using langchain and databricks playlist. So in this video we are going to understand what are message placeholders in langchain. Okay. Before that, let's understand what we have learned in our previous video 19, right? So video 19 we have learned about dynamism in messages in langchain, right? So what we have done, first we tried to put the variables right in the list we were defining for prompt messages, but that didn't work, right? Then what we did is we have started using chat prompt template, right? For chat prompt template also the system message human message things are not working, so we have written it like this: system human, right? And then it started working, so we made it a dynamic thing, right? Now uh, basically, if you remember, right, in one of the previous videos, what we have done is we were asking a couple of related questions to LLM, right? It was giving an issue, right? For example, this was some video 17, right? We prepared some simple conversational chatbot there, okay? Now, what we did is I asked first question, right? Who is MS Dhoni? Explain in one line, it has explained, right? Second question, related question I asked, which IPL team is he part of? And LLM said like who is he, right? So there we learned LLM responses are stateless, right? We need to maintain a chat history and we need to pass on the chat history to LLM so that it refers that history, right? And give us the answer, right? And this thing is definitely very important in terms when we are working with langchain or we are working with agentic AI. This memory thing, right, it is called a memory thing, is very important here. For learning purpose we are achieving this using chat history, right? So a simple flow, if I draw, right, let's draw it. I think drawing will make many things clear. First thing, what do we do? Define, let's say, blank chat history, right? Blank chat history, right? Then what we will do, let's say we will ask first question to LLM, okay? Ask first question, right? Then let me just, okay, fine, that is okay. Diagrammatically, we'll just try to represent, okay? Next thing is, we will save system message. I'll just write HSM human message and AI message in chat history, right? In chat history. Now, when we ask the second related question, right? Ask second related question, right? And while asking the second question, if you have seen here, right, we have passed on chat history, right? And pass on chat history, right? So this way, these are the steps, kind of steps we have followed, right? I don't know if this is very small for you. Let me just make it little big, right? Ask first question. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'll take this somewhere here down. Okay. And I'll make this little bigger, right? Text also. Let me make, yes, 24, right? So just a second, right? This is what we have followed, right? So we have maintained chat history, right? And then we passed on chat history to while asking the second question. So LLM got the reference, right? What we are talking about, right? Now, um, in basically, what are message placeholders, right? Message placeholders is a special kind of a placeholder, right? Used inside chat prompt template, dynamically insert chat history or list of messages while runtime, right? So let's say small definition of message placeholder. A placeholder in langchain, right? Used inside chat prompt template, right? To dynamically insert chat history, or list of messages as runtime, right? So earlier what we were doing, we were putting the list of messages, we were passing the list of messages to LLM here, right? Here we will do it dynamically using the placeholder given by um, langchain. Okay. Now this is very important. If I give you, let's say, one example, let's say there is some Amazon or any, I mean, Amazon, Flipkart, anything. There are a lot of shopping websites coming these days, right? So let's say there is some order that I'm placing. Okay, let's say I have placed order. Today is 28th. I have placed some order on some 25th, right? Now, I have placed order on 25th and 26th. I have inquired about that order. The first, my first chat, right? What I'll do, let's try to draw that also. Okay, right? So what I'm doing, let's say, placing order placed on 25th. Okay, consider that as May only, or this month only, right? So I have placed order on 25th. Now, what I have done, on 26th, 6th I interacted, right? Asked about order status, okay, on 26th, right? So there is some conversation. My conversation happened with their chatbot, right? Their LLM, right? So on 26th, the conversation was like, where is my order, right? Something like that. And it gave me some response saying your order you will receive in some 2 days or something like that, right? So that message history is there. Now, again today, let's say on 28th, I'm inquiring about my order, right? So again, I have asked a question, where is my order, right? In order inquiry, right? Order inquiry on 28th, for example, right? Now on 28th, if I ask chatbot the question, where is my order? First, chatbot will need the chat history, right? What I'm talking about, right? Or at least it will ask me a question in response that which order you are talking about, what is the order number, or is it the same order you have placed on 25th, right? And then it will take my conversation I did on 26th, right? And then I'll be getting the response that your order in transit or whatever it is, right? So based on history, chatbot will get to know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, a simple, I think, generic example we generally, use it. Okay, while using any chatbot, there are a lot of chatbots nowadays we are using. Okay, now, um, if we do not pass the history, right, the chatbot will not get to know what I'm talking about, right? So here what we have done, we have passed the history, I think, by ourselves. Okay. Now this is message placeholder. We will try to see how to do this using message placeholder, right? Now whatever we'll do, we'll start, let's say, coding. Okay. Um, okay, fine. Let me run this. Let me start the cluster. Okay. Installations. Okay. And that is fine. I think this image also, let me try to put it, if I can put in the video description. Okay. Let these installations run. We will start our imports and this stuff, right? From uh, langchain, sorry, databricks underscore langchain, from databricks underscore langchain, import chat databricks, right? First thing. Second thing, we will import all messages, right? From langchain underscore core dot messages, import system message, right? System message HumanMessage, and AI message. Okay, I'll have to import chat prompt template and message placeholder, right? Because I'm going to use message placeholder. Okay, from langchain core dot prompts import chat prompt template. Okay, and message placeholder, right? Imports are done. Now again, variable I'll create chat model to use. Simple, same thing we were doing. Okay, chat data bricks. Okay, model equals to databricks schema 312b, right? Oh, this I don't want. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll create some chat history stored with me. Let's say on 26th, right? I interacted with the chat bot. Okay, and there is some chat history that is available with me. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create a chat history. Okay, for example, एक second. I'll create one list. Okay, human message. Okay, content equals to what is the status of my order? What is the status? Sorry. Okay, what is the status of my order with order ID 54321, some whatever. I'm just using dummy, right? I'm just using dummy order ID here. This is human message, and there is some AI message that I got response, right? Let's say content is the order with order ID, the order with order ID 54321 is placed on 25th May 2026 and will be delivered in next, let's say 4 to 5 days. 4 to 5 days by, let's say 31st May. I don't know if May has 31st day. Okay, 31st May, right? 2026. Okay. This chat history I have stored it. Let's say somewhere I have stored it, right? Now again, I'm getting a user query. Okay. Let's say where is my order? Where is my order? Right? Now, uh, now what we can do using message placeholder, this chat history I can pass on in chat prompt template itself, right? Let me do one thing. Let me copy a system message. Okay. From here, I don't know. Let me copy it from here. Okay, it's not there. System message is here, for example. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to copy a system message. Okay, and use it here. Okay, user query. So what I'll do, prompt messages equals to chat prompt template. Okay, and first thing is I'll be passing on a system message, right? System message. Okay, uh, system message, and that would be, let's say, this one. Sorry, control V. Sorry. System message, you are helpful. Okay, assistant, whatever it is, right? It has done message placeholder also. Okay. First, you are supposed to answer the query based on chat history. If you do not know the answer, please say I do not know and do not hallucinate, please. Right? Now, what I can do using message placeholder, what I can do is I can put the chat history. Okay, this chat history I have. Okay, so here itself I can pass on the chat history. Message placeholder. Okay, is fine. Chat history, right? And next thing is my human message. Human message is my user query, right? This is the user query. Okay, now if I invoke the prompt, okay, let me just show you. Invoked prompt equal to prompt messages dot invoke, right? And what I want to pass on chat history and user query. Sorry, invoked prompt, right? This is done. This is fine. I don't want a response. I'm not going to hit the LLM, right? I have passed on chat history user query. Okay. And what I'll do, I'll print the invoked prompt. Okay. I'll just print the invoked prompt. Let me run this. Okay. So understand the difference. What we were doing earlier, right? I think cell number 50. If you see chat history, we were sending to LLM, right? Here in the loop. But now using langchain, right? Langchain message placeholder, we are, what has happened? Two violation errors for human message contain what is system order 54321. Input should be valid string, type string, content equals to what is the source of my order, AIMessage. Okay, some issue is there. Human message content equals to this, AIMessage content equals to this. I think might be I'll need to do it like this way. System human, right? That is fine. We got some error, right? You should be able to resolve this error. Do one thing. Write this code, same code, okay, and see what is the error. Use anything, Chat, GPT, Claude, or whatever. You will be having everything, right? Use anything. Try resolving this error. Okay, I'm not going to resolve this. I just wanted to give you an idea how you can place the history using message placeholder, right? Code wise is fine. Code wise, we can get help from any LLM. Okay, do one thing, check what is the error, right? What error is input should be a valid string, input type, right? For errors.parentic.dev. Okay, fine. Okay. Assignment. Let's say this is assignment for you all. Do one thing, try resolving this error. Okay. And post the correct code in the comment section. Right. Let's see who resolves it first after watching this video. Okay. The core idea of this video is here, while passing the chat history, okay, we have written this loop, right? Loop and this stuff, right? Now this is like, if we this is something where we are not using any langchain capability, right? This is Python code, right? And this we call a glue code, right? Whatever we write as a custom code, right? We call it a glue code, right? And glue code is very hard to maintain, right? We are coming out of some framework and we are writing a custom code, right? Instead of writing this custom code, we have provision in langchain through placeholders. You can pass on the chat history, okay? And once you print invoke prompt, you will get all this chat history first, and then system message and the human message you have asked. And if you send it to LLM is going to answer this based on your history, right? Fine. This looks more structured approach now, right? Using all the capabilities are provided by langchain. Okay, fine. That's everything for this video. Just do this assignment, right? Sit back, relax, understand what is the error, take help from any AI assistant, correct this code, okay? And share us the code in the comment section, and also share the invoked prompt, what prompt you are getting, right? This way we'll be able to learn and practice together, right? Fine. Let me put this code. I am just putting this code in the video description, right, for your reference. Okay, fine. That's all. I hope you liked the video. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.